Hello guys. If your YouTube videos are getting barely any views, no engagement, and feel completely invisible, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down the most common mistakes that are killing your reach and stopping YouTube from actually pushing your content. Most creators don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Let's get into it. Issue number 1. Your thumbnails and titles aren't clickable. On YouTube, your thumbnail and title decide whether someone clicks or scrolls right past. If your titles are vague or your thumbnails look cluttered, your click-through rate drops and YouTube stops recommending your video. In order to fix this, create clear, curiosity-driven titles that make people want to know more. Use clean, bold thumbnails with strong contrast and easy-to-read text. Make sure your idea is understandable in one quick glance. Issue number 2. You're not hooking viewers in the first 10 seconds. Audience retention is one of the biggest ranking factors on YouTube. If people click your video but leave immediately, YouTube assumes the content isn't engaging and stops pushing it. In order to fix this, start with a strong hook that tells viewers exactly what they'll gain. Avoid long intros or unnecessary rambling at the beginning. Get straight into the value or main promise of the video. Issue number 3. Your content lacks a clear focus or niche. If your channel jumps between completely unrelated topics, YouTube struggles to understand who to recommend your videos to. Confused algorithm equals low reach. In order to fix this, pick a clear niche or content category. Make videos around similar themes so YouTube learns your audience. Consistency helps YouTube build viewer trust and recommendation patterns. Issue number 4. You're not optimizing for search and discovery. YouTube is both a search engine and a recommendation platform. If your titles, descriptions, and keywords aren't clear, YouTube won't know when to show your videos. In order to fix this, use searchable titles based on what people are actually typing into YouTube. Add relevant keywords naturally in your description. Focus on specific topics instead of overly broad ones. Example, instead of my morning routine, say productive 6 a.m. morning routine for working from home. Issue number 5. Your videos are inconsistent in posting and quality. Uploading randomly makes it harder for viewers and YouTube to know what to expect. Inconsistent schedules can slow momentum and audience growth. In order to fix this, choose a realistic posting schedule and stick to it. Focus on improving one element every video: editing, storytelling, pacing, or audio quality. Consistency builds trust with both viewers and the algorithm. Issue number 6. You're expecting instant viral success. YouTube growth is usually slower than short-form platforms, but much more long-term and sustainable. Many creators quit too early because they don't see immediate results. In order to fix this, focus on improving each video rather than chasing instant virality. Study your analytics, especially retention and click-through rate. Give your videos time to grow and gain traction. If your YouTube videos aren't getting reach, it's almost always one of these mistakes. Fix these issues, stay consistent, and your videos can start gaining views, engagement, and long-term growth. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and comment YouTube if you want more strategies. See you in the next one.